What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a big old brisket sandwich, boy. Don't it sound good? Well, to get it in our mouths, we got to do something with our hands, boy, and it's called work. So, let's work. Yeah. That's right, baby, the brisket sandwich. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, a whole brisket sandwich? Who you got coming over for dinner tonight, man? King Kong? No, actually, Cranky Kong, matter of fact. So, I am making this big old meal tonight, and it's going to be satisfactory for a big boy like me. So, first thing that you got to do, make a brisket sandwich, get that brisket, baby. And today, I've just got this smaller kind of little brisket because, you know, it's a little cheaper, and it's actually just what I have in the house. So, we're going to use that, and then we're going to get our caracapat because we're going to slow cook this thing so that it's sweet and savory and soft and ready to go. So, we're going to get our crock pot, we're going to put it on high, and we're going to put our brisket down in there, fat up, kind of like me when I'm sleeping. You want the fat side pointed towards the top. So, you put that thing in there, and you're already saying to yourself, like, I want. Why didn't you put any seasonings on there, man? I didn't see you put any kind of seasoning on there. Well, that's because this is a salt and pepper brisket. It was already seasoned when it came to us. It already had that salt and pepper just for flavor. So, good stuff, baby. Now, went ahead and put that down in there, put the fat side down. I'm also just going to throw a packet of some onion soup mix in there. Just enough to make you go, achoo! So, put that onion soup mix in there, and you're saying, like, oh, well, really, onion soup mix? Well, I just kind of had it laying around and threw it in there. You don't really need to do it, but if you got some, put some in there to do it. So, once we do that, we're going to put the lid on there, and we're going to let that go for about 2 hours. That's enough time for you to go roll a doobie and play some bubble. Now, once you get done playing your bobble, you come back here 2 hours later, you'll see you kind of got this juice down there. The fat has drained off, and we're going to drain off the fat that's drained off. You want to get a cup or something, don't just be careful, and drain the fat off that damn thing. Now, next thing that we got to do is we got to add our baby back, that sweet baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce, baby, because it is the good. So, go ahead and put the barbecue sauce in there, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, you know, if you wanted to do barbecue, why did you take this thing out to the smoker? Well, you know me, buddy. I ain't got time for that shit. So, went ahead and did it this way today. Pour your barbecue sauce on there. We're going to let it go for another hour or so. Then, I want you to take it out and slice it up, big dog. Now, once you get it sliced up, boy, we're going to go ahead and assemble the thing. We're going to put it all together like that Lego man. Now, first thing you got to do, get you some bread. Today, I toasted my bread because I like to be toasted, if you know what I'm talking about, Bob Marley. Now, go ahead and put that bread down, and we're going to put a little bit of lettuce on here. And this is just a head of lettuce that I had from dinner last night. Had some left over, so we're going to slap it on there, buddy boy. Now, to spice up our life just a tad, I'm going to add one of my favorites, boy, jalapeno, buddy. Put that down on there. Now, I want you to go ahead and add that big dog, the brisket, baby, that big stuff. What? Looks delicious already, don't it? But we're going to add a few pickles on top just to add a little wang dang like old Ted Nugent. Then we're going to add our top piece of bread there, if I could get the word to come out of my mouth, the bread there, and put that all together, and then, boy, we ready for that big sight. We in for a big bite of a big barbecue brisket sandwich tonight, buddy. Wow, goodness gracious. Alright, baby, the time has come. The brisket sandwich is done, and I'm having that first bite. Pick this big old monster up and give it a nice little hug, if you will. Boy, that is delicious. That sweet brisket just falling apart with the barbecue sauce and the lettuce and the pickles. It's wonderful, baby. I feel like I'm the mayor of Barbecue City. So, I want to thank all of you for voting for me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you will get the hell out of here, I'll make the rest of this sandwich and then probably another one. And maybe another one after that. So, goodbye, buddy.